Ajay loves playing with Legos and has a tall stack of Lego blocks. He then broke it down into its building blocks. Next, he started sorting the small blocks by putting similar ones together. He realized he had 3 different block types and exactly 2 of each. He took one from each pair and made 2 identical shapes. So in effect, starting from one big stack, he broke them into its parts and made 2 identical parts. We can use a similar procedure to find the square root of large numbers. The number 36 can be written as 6 into 6. Thus 6 is the square root of 36. But for large numbers, it is not always easy to find the square root this way. Let's see another interesting way to find square root of 36 and then apply it to a larger number. Let's find the prime factors of 36. 36 is divisible by 2. Dividing, we get the quotient 18. Again, 18 is divisible by 2. Dividing, we get the answer 9. 9 isn't divisible by 2, but it's divisible by the next prime number, 3. Finally, dividing 9 by 3 gives us 3. Thus, 36 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here, we have a pair of 2's and a pair of 3's. Let's take a single 2 and 3 from each of the pairs and multiply them together. We get 6. And as we know, 6 is the square root of 36. This way we can find the square roots by the method prime factorization. And guess what? This works well for very big numbers too. Let's try the same procedure with the number 11,025. Let's find the prime factors of 11,025. 11,025 is an odd number, so it's not divisible by 2, but it's divisible by 3. Dividing, we get the quotient of 3,675. Again, 3,675 is divisible by 3. Dividing, we get the answer 1,225. 1,225 isn't divisible by 3, but it's divisible by the next prime number, 5. Dividing, we get 245. Dividing 245 by 5, we get 49. Now clearly 49 is not divisible by 5, but it's divisible by the next prime number, 7. Dividing 49 by 7, we get 7. Thus, 11,025 can be factorized as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. We have a pair of 3's, 5's and 7's. As before, we take 1 3, 5 and 7 from each of the pairs and multiply them together. This gives us 3 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 105. So, 105 is the square root of 11,025. Easy, isn't it? Turns out that finding the square root of large numbers is as easy as playing with toys.